for all the seniors. Just going to ask you, Justin, what's your favorite memory? This is Justin Cravens, by the way. What's your favorite memory of New Trier?
Favorite memory of New Trier? Probably last year when my neighbor streaked at the pep rally.
Had to be being a senior helper.
It was the best experience.
Yeah.
Or
Advisory. Advisory.
yeah.
Yeah.
I have to say, it's every day, all the friends. Every day's been a memory. Every day's been a memory.
I don't have one. Thanks.
Played basketball last year, even though we got our butts kicked, but it was a lot of fun. You know.
Good. Got anything?
No, I'm good.
Wrestling with Colin. Down, getting all sweaty with him on the mats. That was pretty fun.
Wow. Do you have a favorite moment?
Not particularly. What I want to talk about.
You want to talk about? I don't know.
Who's Richard?
Prom was fun, definitely.
Sarks. Sarkies, yeah.
Sarky's very modest.
Definitely my first day of school hanging out with these guys. They showed me lots of love, and it's over now, and we're still chilling, so it's all good.
And my favorite memory is falling down the stairs every day.
All right, thank you.
All right, we're having a blast at the Winter Carnival 2001. It's been a great time so far. We're trying to get some more kids to the Hair Body Hoedown. We're having a grand old time right down here. There's tons of stuff to do. Cotton candy over here, donuts in there. Anywhere you look, there's something to do. Whee!
Senior Carnival!
Here at 2001 prom, we're having a blast. You see everyone else having a great time. Give it up! Prom, yeah! Give it up!
Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Right foot to the top. Left foot to the top. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Yeah!
That's it. NT football rules.
NT football rules.
What's up? New Trier's been a great 4 years. It's been an awesome trip. I really love going to school here, I guess. It's too bad it's going to be over. Yeah.
Miss the ladies.
I sure will miss the ladies, definitely.
Yeah, we're gonna miss competitive gym class. Yeah. It was so much fun and just, I mean, every day just great athletes going out there and competing, tournaments and every sport you could think of. It was.
sell back books.
Oh yeah, how do we sell back books? I don't have any books to sell back.
Well, this was just a terrific class, and it's the last class where they'll have gone through New Trier for 4 years straight at the same campus. And I wish everybody a great future and good luck.
You remember the parapros most about New Trier? Sometimes called narcs.
They were sometimes narcs, but you know, they really have a sparkling personality.
Do you feel
Of our high school careers, everybody. And I'm just signing some yearbooks, having some fun, saying bye to everybody. It's been a good run, though.
New Trier's all right. Wait, where is?
Oh my God.
Miss everyone. No, I'm not. And yeah, I'd miss everyone.
I promised myself I wouldn't cry.
Talk amongst yourselves.
I'm verklempt.
It's very prestigious. Very prestigious school. We're #1 in everything. Yeah.
You're out of control. New Trier, you're out of control. One seniors into his house. Yeah. Hey. All right, we're having an awesome time. We've been here for hours. This party's great. Yeah.
2001!
Time.
Our senior year!
Graduating.
Time!
I love New Trier. It's our last tournament.
Shut the hell up. My favorite moment is right now. I'm done with high school, and I'm moving up to the next level. Peace and out. What is that?
Hey, Eddie.
Going in the Marine Corps, boys.